For a bit. Just waiting for another guy to move out for lunch break. He's got rear wheel drive. There he is right there. So we're going to follow him, see how he does. Should be funny. He's driving that Miata there. No traction control or nothing. Not that you need traction control, you can still get by if you're a decent driver. Nothing wrong with rear wheel drive whatsoever. A little bit of weight in the back, you're good to go. Common sense. Up behind him here. Jesus. Great little car for the winter, or for the summer, but for the winter, he did good. Well, little slide there. Brought her under control. Doing pretty good. See how he does here. Slippage. He's going slow enough. Gee. Yeah, he did good. Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. You better keep her at 30.